risk of true living tissue, warm flesh, weird science. Oh, plastic tubes and pots and pans, bits and pieces, bits and pieces,